If y'all think about the construction industry, one name rises above the dust and noise: Caterpillar Incorporated. This company has not only built machines, but has shaped the world, serving nearly every country and holding an enormous 39.33% of the global heavy machinery market. From its humble beginnings as a small sawmill operation in the 1800s to becoming a driving force behind projects like the Golden Gate Bridge and World War II efforts, Caterpillar's stories is nothing short of extraordinary. But how did a simple steam tractor evolve into the global giant that it is today? So way back when, in 1849, Benjamin Holt was growing up in Concord, New Hampshire, where his early life revolved around hard work at his father's sawmill. The Holt family was successful, and young Ben learned the value of manual labor by working with his hands and overseeing the quality of hardwoods used for shipping. With 11 siblings, Ben was part of a large, tight-knit family that took pride in their business. The sawmill thrived, but tragedy struck when Ben's parents passed away. Now this loss marked a turning point in his life. Benny Boy's next big leap came in the late 1800s with his invention of the steam traction engine. At the time, it was an enormous and powerful machine, standing at 24 feet long and weighing a massive 48,000 pounds. While it was impressive as hell, there was one major problem. It was simply too heavy for farming fields. The weight caused it to sink into the ground, making it impractical for everyday use on farms. This could have been the end of Holt's design, but his inventive mind wasn't ready to give up yet. In 1904, Holt had a breakthrough. He decided to replace the tractor's wheels with continuous tracks, which spread the machine's weight more evenly and prevented it from sinking into the soil. This change gave birth to the world's track-type tractor, revolutionizing the farming and construction industries. Interestingly, the name Caterpillar wasn't Holt's idea. His company photographer, Charles Clements, noticed how the tractor's movement resembled a caterpillar crawling along the ground. Holt loved the metaphor so much, and well, the name stuck. During World War I, Holt's track-type tractor took on a whole new role. What started as a farming machine soon became essential for military operations. These tractors weren't just used to plow fields anymore. They were critical in building roads, trenches, and other infrastructure needed on the battlefield. The durability and versatility of Holt's machines made them perfect for the harsh conditions the soldiers faced. His tractors became so useful that they inspired the design of early military tanks. Now this marked a turning point, as Caterpillar was no longer just about agriculture. It was now a key player in military innovation. After World War I, Caterpillar faced some tough times. The rivalry between Holt Manufacturing and CL Best Company had hit a boiling point. Best's tractors were lighter and more efficient, which made them more popular with farmers, while Holt's heavier machines struggled to keep up. See, the competition wasn't just about performance, it also had become a legal battle. Both companies were tangled up in expensive lawsuits over patents and intellectual property, draining their resources and pushing them to the brink of collapse. In the 1930s, Caterpillar's machines played a crucial role in the construction of one of the most iconic structures in the world, the Golden Gate Bridge. At the time, it was the longest suspension bridge ever built, and constructing it required a massive amount of heavy machinery. Caterpillar's equipment was essential for moving materials and shaping the landscape, helping to turn this ambitious engineering dream into reality. This project showed the world just how important Caterpillar's machinery had become, way beyond farming. After World War II, Caterpillar was ready to take on the world. With their proven track record in the war effort, the company began expanding far beyond the US, setting up subsidiaries in countries like Australia and England. Caterpillar quickly became a global force, no longer just an American company, but one that had a presence on multiple continents. Their machines, which had already helped shape the world during wartime, now started to play a vital role in global infrastructure and development projects. One of the key innovations that fueled Caterpillar's post-war success was the introduction of diesel engines. These engines, starting with the D9900, were highly efficient and helped boost the power and versatility of Caterpillar's machines. At the same time, they were expanding into industries like mining, forestry, and oil, developing specialized machinery that can handle the toughest environments. Caterpillar also made a bold branding decision in the 1930s by painting their machines in the now iconic highway yellow. Now this ain't no accident. Yellow was chosen for its high visibility, making Caterpillar machinery easy to spot on any construction site. Another major development during this era was the creation of the Auto Patrol, the first real motor grader which revolutionized road building and construction. In the late 1990s, Caterpillar found itself in a tough spot, not because of competition or market issues, but due to its workforce. The company faced a series of labor disputes that culminated into a massive 17-month strike, one of the longest in its history. Thousands of employees walked off the job, accusing Caterpillar of failing to provide the working conditions and benefits that had been promised. Workers were upset over stagnant wages, insufficient safety measures, and a lack of proper healthcare benefits that had been agreed upon in previous contracts. The strike brought production to a standstill, with factories closing or operating at limited capacity. For a company that had built its name on reliability and innovation, this was a serious blow. The labor unrest not only disrupted manufacturing, but also threatened Caterpillar's global reputation. Despite these challenges, the company managed to weather the storm by continuing to focus on technological advancements and restructuring some of its operations. In the late 2000s, Caterpillar embraced the digital age, recognizing that the world was changing rapidly. They launched their online parts store, parts.cat.com, giving customers easy access to a wide range of machinery parts and making their services more accessible than ever before. It was a significant shift, allowing customers to order parts from anywhere, streamlining the process and keeping Caterpillar at the forefront of innovation in an increasingly digital world. But one of the biggest moves came in 2011 when Caterpillar made an $8.8 billion acquisition of Buckrus, a leading company in mining equipment. This wasn't just a simple business deal, it was a strategic decision that solidified Caterpillar's dominance in the mining industry. By acquiring the company, Caterpillar not only expanded its product line, but also gained control over a large part of the global supply chain for heavy machinery, particularly in industries like mining coal and oil sands. Today, Caterpillar stands as a global giant with a reach that spans nearly every corner of the world. With over $66.9 billion in retail sales, their influence on industries like construction, mining, and infrastructure is unmatched. From helping build the towering skyscrapers in New York to providing machinery for massive dams in India, Caterpillar has become a crucial part of the machinery that shapes modern civilization. What's impressive about Caterpillar isn't just the scale of its operations, but its ongoing commitment to innovation. The company has embraced new technologies to stay ahead of the curve, constantly improving the efficiency, power, and sustainability of its machinery. In today's world, where environmental concerns are more pressing than ever, Caterpillar has made it a priority to produce equipment that not only gets the job done, but does so in a way that's better for the planet. Their investments in sustainable technology and fuel-efficient engines reflect their commitment to reducing their carbon footprint while maintaining their reputation for reliability and strength. Their reach isn't just limited to industrial sites, it extends into everyday life. The company's known for stepping up in times of crisis and helping with disaster recovery efforts around the globe, from hurricanes in the United States to earthquakes in South America. Their equipment is often at the front lines of rebuilding cities and infrastructure after major natural disasters. What's remarkable is how far Caterpillar has come since its humble beginnings as a family-run sawmill in New Hampshire. From Benjamin Holt's early inventions to the merger with CL Best and through global expansion, Caterpillar's journey is one of resilience, innovation, and sheer determination. Over 170 years later, the company still embodies that same spirit of ingenuity that Holt brought to life with his first track-type tractor. So, what's your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll catch you next time.